YouTubers. Alright. It's Friday morning. Guess we're going down to Laughlin. Obi-Wan Kenobi, which is Fred, he's gonna stop by and pick us up. Just a little bit thrown out of my element, you know. First of all, I'm not driving. I don't know what car or anything like that, you know, so I'm completely out of my element. Corey set everything up, and I'm in a lot of pain. So hopefully I can hang. I'm not using the GoPro camera. I got a HTC Re camera, which is a camera that we've had for a long time. It was lost and we found it. So the video quality, I don't know if it's going to be all that great. Should be, but we'll see. So let's go. Just got in the car right now with Fred. You guys know Fred. Obi-Wan Kenobi right here. What's up, Obi-Wan Kenobi?
Left, no?
Yeah, watch out for this car though. Whoa. I think Fred rides better on the bike.
I got distracted.
You guys know, wherever I go, I'm always meeting cool people. I looked over and I seen this cat right here with a spider, right? Is that what it is? A spider. Yeah, it's a Can-Am spider. And asking him about it and stuff. And this is it right here. And this is Dave. Dave, right?
Hi, yeah.
So, Dave, where are you from?
I'm from Phoenix.
Oh, from Phoenix. Oh, okay. All right, cool.
Got done with a tour of the U.S. and Canada.
No way.
Going home. I'm on my way home. About 7,500 miles. I'm done.
Wow.
3 weeks.
Oh, that's cool. 3 weeks, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, get down, get down.
Yeah.
Oh, cool, cool. And you took this on the road with you, obviously.
This is it, yeah.
So, what year is this, and what model is it?
This is a 22 Can-Am RT Limited. It's one notch below their top tier model.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And you like it, huh?
I love it.
Cool, cool, cool.
Gives me my wind therapy.
Oh, that's what we need, man. That's exactly what we need. Now, since you're putting fuel in there, how many gallons is a tank?
It's got a 7-gallon tank, and I get anywhere from 35 to 45 GPM. Usually, if I'm in the hills, going around at lower speed, I'm getting maybe 40, 42.
Oh, okay.
On the highway, at speed, it's like 34. It's not great. My range, though, is about 240 miles.
Around 240 miles on a full tank.
On a full tank, yeah.
All right, all right. Wow, look at that, man. Yeah, this is yeah, like, you know, and this is the trunk back here, huh? It's got the trunk.
Front, 2 saddlebags, and it's got they call it a frunk. Front. Right? That's the word people use.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it's belt driven, huh?
It is belt.
All right, cool. Cool, man. Really
I like it. It's easy to drive. You know, if you're not sure that 2 wheels is for you, 3 wheels is the way to go. Whether it's something like this or a traditional trike like the Harleys. Yeah, 3 wheels. But I like this one because it's really responsive. Quick, powerful. I can keep up with my buddies in the twisties.
Okay. Yeah. Now, is this thing automatic or is it stick?
This is semi-automatic. You have to shift up with the thumb. It's got a paddle shifter.
Oh, is that what that is right there?
Yep. Paddle shift. You got to shift up, but as you brake and slow down, it will shift.
It downshifts by itself.
Or if you're in the twisties and you want to downshift, just hit the paddle the other way.
Oh, okay.
So it's like I say, semi-automatic. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Brakes are 1 pedal on the other side, but you see a lever here because I added it because when I crashed my Goldwing, I did some damage, and the foot pedal isn't 100% for me.
Oh, okay.
So I added a lever there.
So that's an option to add the
Yeah, but that's not a Can-Am option. That's aftermarket.
Okay, okay. Now, does that control the front or the rear?
It controls the brake pedal over here, and that pedal controls all of them at the same time.
Oh.
The Can-Am system is 1 brake pedal, like your car.
Oh, right. Okay.
So that lever activates the brake pedal for me.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Wow, wow. Okay, so now, if it's almost like a car, when you press the brake on this one, it's the front ones that grab first, and then the rear, or is
it's probably more power to the front. I don't know how they proportion it.
Okay, okay. All right.
Definitely. And you got 2 tires stopping you up front rather than 1 on a traditional trike or 1 on a motorcycle.
Right. Oh, okay.
Lots of braking power.
Okay. Yeah. And what size is the engine?
It's a 1330 Rotax.
1330.
It's a 3-cylinder.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
I'll show you this.
Oh, let's take a look. Oh, cool. Look at that. A little mini-me trunk, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Cool, man. This is nice.
I keep some tools and some miscellaneous stuff.
Yeah. Nice, man. Really nice. Cool. All right, Dave. Well, I appreciate it, man.
Hey, no problem.
You know, and people, like I always say, I'm always being cool cats, and he's one of them. And thanks for watching, and see you on the road.
Adios.
Okay, for all you Bronco lovers and Raider lovers, watch out.
What you doing on your back? Hey, what you doing on your back? Hey, you should be dancing, yeah. Dancing, yeah. You should see it, she's so low. She gets it to be good. A woman gives me power. Goes right down to my blood.
know you Raider lovers really gonna love this Bronco right here. I know you guys are gonna love it, like child. So how much was the antifreeze right there where we got the first one?
The first one, $14.
Okay.
No, $18.
Okay, 18. And then right now when we came to the gas station right here in
37.
California,
37 in Chevron, and Shell was 42
for 1 gallon of
for
antifreeze.
1 gallon. Yep.
Jeez. Wow. That's half the price, man.
Yeah.
Out on a limb in the wind of a hurricane. Down at the bar like a star in the howling rain. Nobody to love you, nobody to care. If you got nobody to hug you, no one to answer your prayer. You get low, like a valley high, like a bird in the sky. You get low, 'cause you're angry. Low, high, high, low.
Everything was good, huh, Fred?
Yeah.
I guess your truck really does love you.
I guess, yeah. Loyal.
Yeah, loyal truck. All right, well, thanks for joining us. Trip out on everything, and see you on the road.
And it's with my woman, 'cause she